Question 10 is 2 marks. The question says, a straight line L is parallel to the line with the equation y equals to minus 5x. The line L passes through the point 0 and 6. Find the equation of L. This is very good. Now, when they say the line is parallel, that means they have the same gradient or they have the same slope. Let's write this equation in a nice way. So y equals, instead of 2 minus 5x, I write minus 5x plus 2. Isn't it the same? It is the same. Why did I do that? To make it in this form, y equals mx plus c. Now what's the slope of this line? The slope is m. That means the slope is negative 5. So m equals negative 5. They wrote it in this shape specifically so that you say the slope or the gradient is 2, which is wrong. Be careful, this is a tricky one. So whenever it's like this, you need to first write it in the form mx plus c. Now we got the slope, we can find the equation. So the equation is y equals mx plus c. Do we know m? Yes, we know. What's m? We just got it. It's negative 5. So we know m. Do we know x and y? Yes, they are here from this point. This is x and this is y. So if we know y mx, we can find c. So let's substitute y equals 6. M is negative 5 times x, which is 0, plus c. That makes 6 equal minus 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus c is c. So we got c equals 6. Now let's substitute it back. So your equation will be y equals m minus 5x plus c. C is 6, so it's plus 6. How was this? Was it easy?